Good morning, everyone. In the last class, we studied about friendly microbes. So let's start today's class with harmful microbes or harmful microorganisms. How microorganisms are harmful for us. In the last class, also we discussed that they causes disease like common cold, influenza, flu. These are viral disease. Cholera, typhoid, these are bacterial disease. And these diseases are caused by microorganisms, bacteria and virus, they are microbes. So these disease causing microbes, they are called pathogens. What are they called? Pathogens. We have studied that microbes are useful for us, but some microbes are harmful for us. Why? Because they causes disease, and disease causing microbes are called pathogens. How they enter in our body? The air we breathe, the water we drink, or the food we eat. By these ways, they get enter in our body and causes disease. If an infected person is here and you are standing in front of that person, and that person is having a common cold, suppose when he sneeze, तो कुछ वेपर्स या कुछ ड्रॉपलेट्स जो है वो एयर में ही रह जाते हैं, दैट कंटेन वायरस. कॉमन कोल्ड इज अ वायरल डिजीज. तो व्हेन दैट इन्फेक्टेड पर्सन स्नीजेस, तो उसका कुछ मॉइस्चर, कुछ ड्रॉपलेट्स that spread in air. And when that healthy person who is standing in front of that infected person, when he breathes, तो क्या होगा? The air that has virus that get enter in the body of healthy person too. So by this way, the disease gets transmitted from an infected person to a healthy person by having a direct contact with them, by sharing or using their things also. So disease can be transmitted from a healthy person, from an infected person to a healthy person. Those diseases are called communicable disease. Communicable disease. Okay. So examples of communicable disease are common cold, TB, tuberculosis. Okay. So these are communicable disease. Now some insects are also there. Insects, or you can say animals, are also there that carries these microbes. वो माइक्रोब्स को कैरी करते हैं और हमारे ये तक पहुंचा देते हैं. हाउ? यू कैन टेक एन एग्जांपल ऑफ हाउस फ्लाई. हाउस फ्लाई इज अ हाउस फ्लाई क्या करती है? दे कैरी जर्म्स. हाउ? ऑल ऑफ अस नो कि हाउस फ्लाई जो है, हाउस फ्लाई सिट ऑन गार्बेज एंड दे सिट ऑन एनिमल वेस्ट, ह्यूमन वेस्ट. एंड when they sit on the garbage or on the animal waste, कुछ माइक्रोब्स जो है उनके बॉडी में जो है या उनके फीट पे जो है वो स्टिक कर जाते हैं. एंड व्हेन दीज हाउस फ्लाइज सिट ऑन अनकवर्ड फूड, तो वो अनकवर्ड फूड पे जो है उनको ट्रांसफर कर देते हैं पैथोजेंस को, जो उनके पैरों में स्टिक हुए, उनकी बॉडी पे जो पैथोजेंस स्टिक थे. दोज हाउस फ्लाई transfer those pathogens to the uncovered food, and the person who will eat that food will get the microbes. Those pathogens enter in the body and causes the disease. So some insects are also there that carries the microbes, harmful microbes, that carries the pathogens and causes disease. Okay. The next one is Anopheles mosquito. इट कैरीज मलेरियल पैरासाइट, मलेरिया का जो पैरासाइट होता है उसको ये कैरी करते हैं। ओके, एक पर्सन को मलेरिया हुआ, उसको जो है वहां से इन्होंने ब्लड सक किया, एंड व्हेन दे सक ब्लड ऑफ द हेल्दी पर्सन, तो वही जो कुछ पैरासाइट्स जो होते हैं मलेरिया के, वो उनकी बॉडी में रिलीज कर देते हैं, ट्रांसफर कर देते हैं, एंड दैट पर्सन, उसको भी फिर आपका मलेरिया हो जाएगा। सो दीज आर द कैरियर्स ऑफ डिजीज। फीमेल एडीज, it carries dengue virus. Okay, so these mosquito, how do they breed? They breed in stagnant water. Water जहाँ collection होगा, water का इकट्ठा रहेगा for the long time, उसमें जो है mosquito they start breeding. So what should we do? We should not let the water collected in our surroundings, in our coolers. सीजन ऑफ हो गया है तो कूलर को बिल्कुल ड्राई करके वी शुड कीप। टैंक्स में ऊपर पानी नहीं रहना चाहिए अनकवर्ड। Okay, so these are the ways by which we can prevent the breeding of mosquitoes, and it will help to avoid the spread of these diseases. Okay, so the next topic is some common human disease caused by microorganisms. So this table is given in your NCERT books also. So human disease like tuberculosis, measles, chickenpox, and polio. Tuberculosis is a disease that is caused by bacteria. Okay, that is caused by bacteria. This is a bacterial disease. And what is the mode of transmission? How this bacteria enters in a body? By air. Measles, it is a viral disease. Mode of transmission is air. Through air, it gets enter in a body. Chickenpox is also a viral disease that gets enter in our body through air or by having a direct contact with an infected person. Polio, viral disease that we can have that can spread through air or water. So what should we do if someone is having these disease? We should keep that patient in isolation. उसको completely अपने से अलग रखिए, and don't share their things. कोई भी चीज उनका शेयर नहीं करना है, and the vaccination should be there at a suitable age. Okay, cholera and typhoid both are bacterial disease, and how do they enter in a body? They get enter in a body through water or food. Cholera, water and food. Typhoid, water. So what we should do? Water जो है we should drink after boiling it, and we should have personal hygiene. We should maintain our personal hygiene and sanitary habits. Okay, the next is hepatitis B. Hepatitis B is also a viral disease, and it gets enter in our body through water, contaminated water. So what should we do? We should drink boiled water. Okay, malaria, it is a protozoa disease. प्रोटोजोआ से होती है, caused by protozoa, and mode of transmission भी अभी started कि mosquitoes are the carriers. Okay, so mode of transmission is mosquito. So what should we do? We should not we should not let the water collected in our surroundings. और अगर कुछ भी mosquitoes हैं तो we should use net or mosquito repellents like Odomos, and all these things we should use, and we should control the breeding of mosquitoes. And now the disease microbes not only causes the disease in human beings, but they also cause the disease in animals, like anthrax. Cattles में जैसे cows, buffaloes, these are called cattles. इनमें जो है disease होती है, the name is anthrax. and that disease is caused by bacteria. So anthrax is a bacterial disease in cattle, and foot and mouth disease viral disease hai in cattle. Okay, and disease causing microorganisms in plants, they also causes disease. Microbes also causes disease in plants. Like plant disease के names are given in this table. Citrus canker, microorganisms कौन है? Bacteria. Bacteria causes this disease and mode of transmission is air. Rust of wheat, wheat में है. Fungi cause करती है through air and seeds. येलो वेन मोजेक ऑफ भिंडी और ओकरा, लेडी फिंगर ओकरा, उसमें कई बार वो येलो वो हो जाता है ना, इट टर्न्स, द फिगर्स आर गिवन हियर. सो इट इज कॉज्ड बाय वायरस एंड द मोड ऑफ ट्रांसमिशन इज इंसेक्ट. सो microorganisms, they do not only cause disease in human beings, but they also causes disease in animals and in plants. Okay, so sometimes what happen, we eat the food that gets spoiled. Food जो है जो spoil हुआ हुआ है, we eat that food. And what happen after that? Sometimes we had food poisoning. Food poisoning हो जाती है, stomach ache, acidity and all. So consumption of the spoiled food. कैसे food खराब होता है? आजकल जो है समर सीजन है, वेदर ऐसा है कि आप जो है अगर ह्यूमिड है, टेम्परेचर जो है आपका ह्यूमिड है, ह्यूमिड वेदर है, इफ यू लीव मिल्क और या वेजिटेबल जो कुक्ड है, इफ यू लीव फॉर 1 day or 2 days, अगर आप उसको बाहर ही रहने देंगे, यू विल नॉट रेफ्रिजरेट, तो व्हाट विल हैपन, वो खराब हो जाएगा. व्हाई? उसमें माइक्रोब्स जो है वो ग्रो कर जाते हैं. एंड इफ वी कंज्यूम दैट फूड, तो व्हाट विल हैपन, फूड पॉइजनिंग हो जाएगा, जिससे कि हमें सीरियस इलनेस हो सकती है, that causes the serious illness and even death also. Okay, so we should not consume the spoiled food. अब फूड स्पॉइल्ड है वो आपको कैसे पता चलेगा? उसका ऑर्डर चेंज हो जाएगा, उसका स्मेल, बाय स्मेल यू कैन जज कि द फूड इज स्पॉइल्ड. टेस्ट, color. So by these ways you can get to know that your food is spoiled and you should not consume it, because it can cause food poisoning that can cause serious illness and even death. Okay class, so in today's class we have studied the harmful microbes. They causes harmful microbes, they call pathogens, they causes disease in human beings. We have studied about communicable disease, means that disease that get transferred from a infected person to a healthy person. Okay, then we have studied about the disease in animals caused by microbes, and then in plants. Okay, so which you watch the videos carefully. Thank you class and have a nice day.